Now, China's inflation will continue to be under tight watch by the government this year. The country's consumer price index, a main indicator of inflation, fell to 4.1% last month, a 15-month low. While that marked a significant decrease from earlier last year, it's still above the annual target of 4%. And in order to hit that, analysts say the country will need to rein in food prices this year, which have been on the rise. According to data from the National Bureau of Statistics, food prices, which make up for about a third of goods calculated in the CPI basket, jumped 9.1% last month compared to the same time in 2010. Inflation also accelerated from the month before, when prices were up 8.8% year-on-year. And fueling food costs has been the soaring price of pork, a staple meat here in China. Last month, prices increased by more than 21% year-on-year. And costs in the new year aren't expected to be any more consumer-friendly. Experts forecast the average price of pork this month will be around $2.15 a pound. That's up from $1.72 last month. According to the Ministry of Agriculture, low pork prices in recent years have been a deterrent for farmers, resulting in less supply in the market today. In fact, the number of live pigs dropped by 4.8% in the first half of last year. Pork prices play a major role in the market here, since China is both the biggest producer and consumer of pork in the world. But pork isn't the only meat consumers have to spend more on this year. According to cn.hubei.com, the average price of beef stands at about $4.50 a pound today. That's an increase of about $1 per pound compared to the beginning of December. Furthermore, experts say prices this month are up 30% year-on-year. One of the main reasons is seasonal demand, with consumption spiking during China's Spring Festival holiday. Food production costs have also been on the rise, with wages climbing throughout the country. According to the Ministry of Human Resources and Social Security, 21 provinces, autonomous regions, and municipalities increased their minimum monthly wage by an average of 21.7% in the first 3 quarters of last year. And the trend has continued this year, with Sichuan Province, Shenzhen, and Beijing all hiking monthly minimum wages at the beginning of January. And don't go anywhere, because when we come back, we're looking at the rising cost of vegetables and talking about what urban residents think about government efforts to control prices. That's up next.